Today I will show you fastest way how to earn a lot of money online. So to do this I use this website. As you can see, every hour I earn virtual gold. So after some time I just click withdraw and I can exchange this virtual gold to real money. So as you can see now on my wallet I have $98, so I click exchange, and of course after that I need to confirm my transaction. Okay guys, and after that, as you can see, I have on my wallet $112. And to earn money like that I spend only 1 minute every day. Of course guys, you can do the same and earn much more money. And now I will show you how. Okay, at first you need to go under this video and click on the game link. After that you need to log in and connect your MetaMask wallet. But if you don't know how to do this, also under the video I will leave the instructions. Here you will find step-by-step instruction how to register on this game. And after that everything what you need to do is just invest on these pirates. For example, I bought this first pirate for $2 and I already started to earn money every day. But of course, if you want to earn more gold per hour, you need to buy pirates as much as you can. So that's why now I will buy this pirate, and as you can see his price is 30,000 coins. So that's why I need to add coins, and as you can see I need to spend $294. But on my balance I have only $113. That's why I just copy this address, and after that on my crypto wallet I choose USDT. Then I click withdraw. So here I need pass the address what I copied before. Network will be BNB Smart Chain BIP20 and withdrawal amount will be $200. After that I just click withdraw, and as you can see withdrawal request submitted. So now everything what I need to do is just wait a minute until money will withdraw to my wallet. Okay, as you can see guys, now I have $315, so I can easily approve my transaction. After that I need to click next, approve, so I allowed this website use my wallet, and now I need to click deposit. So that's why this website is very safe. Okay guys, as you can see now I have 30,000 coins on my wallet, so I click buy this pirate and buy him. Of course I need to confirm this transaction. And now as you can see I will earn much more gold per hour. So every day I will earn much more real money. And you don't need to invest so much money. You can invest $2, $10 or $20, as much as you want. Also here you can click on your profile and you will find your affiliate link. As you can see, using this link I already earned a lot of money. And to use this referral link you need to buy first pirate for $2. After that you just copy this link and give it to your friend. And if all of them invest on this game $10,000, you will immediately receive $1,000. And obviously you can withdraw them to your wallet whatever you want. So this is the best way to earn money online. And as you can see, this is new game. Age is only 18 days. The similar games are working per 500 days. And if you will earn $50 per day and like that 500 days, you will earn $25,000. That's why every day I will buy more and more pirates. And as you can see, every video on my channel I told you to do the same, so you could already earn a lot of money. Okay guys, subscribe on my channel to not lose new videos on the future, and also watch this video.